Hi there, my name is Matthew Phillips. By finding this website, you may be a few steps closer to finding a more natural cure for your ailments. What do I mean by that? Well, drug companies are doing a great job at hiding the natural treatments from you. And by doing so, they hope to gain profit by selling you their drugs that sometimes do more damage than they do good. Do you want to know something else? The pharmaceutical industry has only one answer in determining how exactly aloe vera gel works. Their answer is to determine the chemical component that contributes to its healing activity. This opens the door to commercial extraction and refinement. And you know why? Because both these processes can be patented, as opposed to the plant itself. They can't patent the plant, therefore they can't make money off of it. You need to understand this up front. Contrary to what the drug companies lead you to believe, there are all-natural remedies that are readily available. Aloe is at the very top of that list. It has been proven to treat so many ailments that it is referred to as a miracle plant. There have been thousands of scientific studies performed on aloe's healing abilities, and still the public has never heard of most of them.
Aloe vera. For centuries, people have relied on the properties of this unique plant to help heal and nourish the body. Most of us are familiar with how effective aloe vera is at soothing burns and healing cuts or scrapes. But what many people don't know is how nutritious it is, and that it's as good for you inside as it is out. Aloe vera works in your body in two ways. First, it's a tremendous source of nutrients. Aloe vera contains over 200 nutritional compounds, including 20 minerals, 18 amino acids, and 12 vitamins, including vitamin B12. But more than just provide your body with nutrients, aloe vera actually helps your body cleanse itself so that it can better absorb those nutrients. Lining your intestinal wall are millions of little fingers covered with cells. As food passes through these fingers, the cells absorb nutrients. However, in today's world of fast food, we don't always eat the nutritious foods we should. Our diets can be loaded with grease and fat. Even the vegetables we eat can be tainted by chemicals and insecticides. These foods are difficult for our intestines to absorb. They clog it up, just like the gunk that can clog your pipes at home. As the grease and chemicals cling to our intestines, they cover the finger-like walls and block the cells from absorbing properly. Aloe vera helps keep your intestine clean by breaking up this clogging material so that it passes easily through your system. The cells of the intestinal wall will again be able to absorb essential food nutrients efficiently. And with better absorption comes better health. You may have heard people refer to aloe vera as a wonder plant or cure-all, but there's nothing magical about it. If anything, it's the power of the human body that's magical. Aloe vera simply helps your body function at a higher level by providing it with the nutrition it needs and helping it get rid of the things it doesn't need. With a clean, healthy body, we not only feel better and have more energy, we're less susceptible to disease and illness.
Berry, the health researcher, has taken years to collect these long-used recipes, found other clinically studied formulas, and conducted many interviews to form one easy-to-read and follow ebook on aloe. Everything from its history down to its modern-day uses has been included. Doctors themselves have read this very book and were astounded by the things that they have learned. Yulia Berry's book, Aloe, Your Miracle Doctor, contains an abundance of useful remedies and treatments. I prefer them to many of the more expensive commercial products. Said none other than the famous physician, Dr. Martha McFadden. Nothing is held back as the author shares with you the history of aloe's healing abilities and some proven impressive scientific facts, how to take care of your aloe plant and what the signs of poor care are, the amazing chemical composition of aloe organized in a very easy-to-read table, aloe vera uses from A to Z, an explanation and step-by-step instructions on the biogenic stimulation method, 130-plus home remedies for 80-plus disorders, 25-plus easy-to-make homemade beauty remedies, including a recipe for an anti-wrinkle facial moisturizer, Cleopatra, the best free aloe resources. That's all well, but what about the cost? You will save hundreds of dollars since Yulia Berry has included home remedies made of aloe and natural ingredients available in any supermarket or health food store for just pennies. And if you respond immediately, you'll also receive the following: Premier membership with free and regular updates, vinegar for your health, a book filled with old-fashioned remedies for common ailments. Natural herbal cures and remedies, a book filled with natural cures your doctor never told you about. And as an extra bonus, Yulia Berry is also giving you her book, Pharmacy in Vegetables, along with the other bonuses. Click below to order right now for only $47, even if it's 3 a.m. in the morning. If you're not thrilled with the results, then she wants you to simply write and tell her, and she'll send you a prompt and courteous, no hassles, no questions asked, 100% refund. Right now is your chance to try the amazing remedies with miraculous healing aloe. This is one of those moments when you have to take your fate in your own hands and start doing something. Isn't it time you tried something that actually works? You've found what you've been searching for. Now do it.